Baking paper. Non-stick paper placed on baking trays. Line the baking sheet with baking paper. Baking sheet. A flat tray used to bake cookies, bread, or pastries. Place the cookies on the baking sheet. Cake pan. A pan specifically used to bake cakes. Pour the batter into the cake pan evenly. Cooling rack. A rack where baked goods are placed to cool. Let the cupcakes sit on the cooling rack. Dough scraper. A tool used to cut and lift dough. Use the dough scraper to divide the bread dough. Measuring cup. A cup marked with measurements for liquid or dry ingredients. Use a measuring cup to add the right amount of milk. Measuring spoon. A spoon used for measuring small amounts of ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla using the measuring spoon. Mixing bowl. A large bowl used to mix ingredients together. She poured the flour and sugar into the mixing bowl. Mixing spoon. A large spoon used for stirring ingredients. Stir the batter with the mixing spoon. Muffin tin. A tray with cups used to bake muffins or cupcakes. Grease the muffin tin before pouring the batter. Oven. A heated appliance used for baking or roasting. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Pastry brush. A brush for spreading butter, oil, or glaze. Brush the bread with butter using the pastry brush. Pastry cutter. A tool for cutting dough or blending butter into flour. She used the pastry cutter to make pie crust. Piping bag. A bag used to squeeze icing or batter for decoration. She used a piping bag to decorate the cake. Rolling pin. A cylindrical tool used to roll out dough. Roll the dough evenly with the rolling pin. Sifter. A tool to separate and aerate flour or powdered sugar. Sift the flour with a sifter before adding it to the bowl. Spatula. A flat tool for scraping or spreading mixtures. Use a spatula to fold the batter gently. Stand mixer. An electric mixer used for heavy mixing tasks. The stand mixer makes kneading dough much easier. Timer. A device to track baking time. Set the timer for 25 minutes for the cookies. Whisk. A kitchen tool used to beat or stir ingredients. She used a whisk to mix the eggs and sugar.